Hello everyone, welcome to Neetika Ki PaathShaala. Today we are diving into Python, one of the most beginner-friendly and versatile programming languages out there. Whether you are starting from scratch or brushing up on Python fundamentals, this tutorial is for you. In this video, we are going to get everything set up so we can dive into Python coding. We'll install Python, get our first lines of code running, and set up PyCharm, an IDE that makes writing Python a breeze. Let's jump right in. So, what are the various steps to install Python on your system? The first step is head over to python.org. First things first, let's download Python. Go to python.org and click on the Downloads tab. Download the latest version for your system, Windows, Mac, or Linux, by selecting the newest Python 3 release. Once the download is complete, open the file to start the installation. Make sure to select the standard installation settings. This will make it easier to use Python directly from the terminal. Now, open your terminal, command prompt, PowerShell, or any terminal you prefer, and type Python 3 space hyphen hyphen version. You should see the version number of Python printed, which means Python is installed correctly. Let's set up PyCharm, our integrated development environment, IDE, where we'll write and run our Python code. Go to the PyCharm download page, select the Community Edition. It's free and perfect for beginners, and click Download. Once it is downloaded, follow the installation steps, which are straightforward on both Windows and Mac. Now, open PyCharm, and when prompted to import settings, go ahead and skip that for now. On the welcome screen, click New Project to create your first Python project. Give your project a name, confirm the location, and click Create. Now that your project is set up, let's write our Python command. So here we'll be printing hello Python. So I'm writing print parenthesis open double quotes hello Python parenthesis closed. To run your code, either click the green play button at the top or right click on the editor and select run. In the console at the bottom, you should see hello Python. If you see that, congratulations, your setup is working perfectly. And there you have it. Your Python environment is all set up and you have run your first piece of code. In the next video, we'll dive into Python's data structures, starting with numbers. So stick around as we learn Python step by step from scratch. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye bye.